Is your current SSD feeling more like a speed bump than a turbo boost? Imagine a drive that can not only keep up with the latest games and massive creative projects, but actually changes the way you experience your PC's performance. Today, we're diving into a storage device that claims to do just that. The WD Black 4TB PCIe 5.0 NVMe. Stick around to see if this new tech really lives up to the hype, or if it's just another flash in the pan. Hey everyone, I'm Brian from the Inspect Aspect. We know that storage can often be the overlooked component in both gaming rigs and creative workstations. But with the rapid advancements in technology, the right SSD can make a startling difference. WD Black's latest 4TB PCIe Gen 5 NVMe drive steps into the spotlight, boasting blistering speeds and top-tier endurance, promising to elevate everything from load times to data handling. Let's break down exactly what this drive brings to the table, both the good and the not so good, to help you decide if it's time to upgrade. Lightning-fast speeds that redefine responsiveness. With sequential read speeds up to 14,900 TBs and write speeds hovering around 14,000 TBs, this SSD leverages PCIe Gen 5 technology to deliver some of the fastest storage performance available today. This means significantly reduced load times in games, faster asset transfers, and smoother multitasking for content creators working with large files or complex timelines. Impressive endurance and reliability. The 4TB model comes rated for up to 2,400 TBW terabytes written, showcasing robust longevity that can handle even intensive workflows without fear of premature wear. This endurance rating is reassuring for anyone relying on their system for daily heavy-duty use, from video editing to software development. Outstanding power efficiency. Compared to previous Gen 4 drives, this SSD is designed with over 100% more power efficiency, consuming an average of just 7 watts or less. This translates into cooler operation and potentially longer battery life for laptop users, all while maintaining high performance. It's a rare balance of speed and efficiency that can make a tangible difference in day-to-day use. Spacious capacity for extensive storage needs. With up to 4 TB of storage, WD Black caters exceptionally well to gamers and creators who juggle large game libraries, hefty project files, or a blend of both. This ample space reduces the need for constant management or reliance on slower external drives, keeping your workflow and gameplay uninterrupted. Heat generation under prolonged loads. Despite improvements in power efficiency, running at peak PCIe 5.0 speeds can generate noticeable heat, and users might find the drive warming up significantly during extended high-intensity sessions. This makes adequate cooling solutions or careful case airflow an important consideration to maintain optimal performance and longevity. Compatibility and motherboard requirements. To fully utilize the PCIe Gen 5 speeds this drive offers, you need a compatible Gen 5 motherboard and CPU, which are still relatively new and not widespread yet. Without the latest hardware, you won't experience the full potential of this SSD, making it a less immediate upgrade for many users. Size and form factor considerations. While this is a high-performance NVMe SSD, the physical size and thermal pads might not fit perfectly in some compact or older systems, requiring users to check compatibility and potential thermal management solutions before installing. No built-in hardware encryption. Unlike some competing SSDs, the WD Black 4TB PCIe 5.0 lacks hardware-based encryption features, which could be a disadvantage for users particularly concerned about data security at the firmware level. This means you might need to rely on software encryption if that's a priority. On the Inspect Aspect scale, the WD Black 4TB on PCIe 5.0 NVMe earns a dynamic velocity vortex rating of 7.7 out of 10. It's a powerhouse designed to push the boundaries of speed and efficiency, ideal for users ready to step into the future of PCIe Gen 5 storage. Its strengths in performance, durability, and capacity make it a compelling choice for demanding gamers and creators alike. However, its heat output during heavy workloads and the need for the latest compatible hardware can hold some users back from reaping its full benefits immediately. For those with modern rigs looking to maximize their system's potential, this drive is certainly worth a serious look. offering a transformative speed boost that can genuinely change your computing experience. Don't forget to check the link on your screen and in the description below for the best deals and availability. Whether you decide this SSD fits your setup, you now have a clearer picture of what next-gen storage can bring to your workflow and play.